Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss about top 10 jobs in high demand. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative content. A high demand job typically means that either there are more opportunities than qualified candidates to fill them, or that there will be more jobs available over the next several years. These types of jobs tend to have several benefits, including more competitive salaries, increased opportunities for advancement, and in some instances, even greater job security. We've compiled a list of 10 in-demand jobs that exceed the average growth rate of 9% and may be worth considering as you look for your next role. So let's get started. Number 1. Computer Manager. Computer managers oversee a company's network and IT services, ensuring users can access required software and tools without interruption. In addition to developing short-term and long-term system plans, troubleshooting problems, and managing all network-related budgets, computer managers also stay up to date about new programs or technology in case they might be useful to purchase and implement. Median salary, US, $151,150. Estimated job growth, 11%. Typical requirements: bachelor's degree and over 5 years of experience. Number 2. Paralegal. Paralegals support lawyers in several administrative ways, helping prepare research, documentation, and other important materials for briefs, cases, and trials. Thanks to the information they are responsible for collecting, paralegals must have a strong understanding of the legal system. Depending on the type of lawyer they work for, paralegals can specialize in an area of law, such as estate planning, corporate finance, or litigation. Median salary, US, $52,920. Estimated job growth, 12%. Typical requirements: associate degree. Number 3. Technical writer. Technical writers make it easier to use a variety of products and services by creating clear how-to guides, instruction manuals, and other materials to help users. More than needing to communicate about technical matters, they need to have a firm understanding of the subject they're writing about, such as technology or finance, to convey the necessary information accurately. Median salary, US, $74,650. Estimated job growth, 12%. Typical requirements: bachelor's degree. Number 4. Web developer. Web developers create websites for brands, companies, and clients. There are 4 main types of website developers: back-end, front-end, full-stack, and webmaster. Each category focuses on a specific aspect of building and overseeing a website. Website developers typically must know at least one programming language and have some understanding of fundamental design principles. Median salary, US, $77,200. Estimated job growth, 13%. Typical requirements: bachelor's degree. Number 5. Financial manager. Financial managers oversee a company's finances, including their profits and expenditures. In addition to monitoring the money that flows in and out of a business, they strategize about larger financial decisions to achieve financial well-being for a company. Thanks to the nature of their work, financial managers need to be strong communicators, planners, and organizers. Median salary, US, $134,180. Estimated job growth, 17%. Typical requirements: bachelor's degree plus 5 years of experience. Number 6. Medical assistant. Medical assistants provide support in doctors' offices, hospitals, and other medical facilities. They are often the first to interact with a patient, taking their medical history and facilitating a smooth visit, which can include submitting prescriptions to area pharmacies and explaining medications to patients. Medical assistants may also perform basic lab tests, collect lab specimens, and perform a range of duties to help doctors, physician assistants, and nurse practitioners. Median salary, US, $35,850. Estimated job growth, 18%. Typical requirements: high school diploma and training or professional certificate. Number 7. Software developer. Software developers code and create software and apps, and make updates to existing interfaces, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. They work behind the scenes to design and build the programs people use every day on their computers and mobile devices. Software developers need to know a programming language and have an understanding of what users need from a specific piece of software to create a useful and impactful product. Median salary, US, $110,140. Estimated job growth, 22%. Typical requirements: bachelor's degree. Number 8. Market research analyst. Market research analysts are a key part of a company's market strategy because they investigate and provide actionable insights when it comes to competitors, customers, and new markets. Market research analysts also develop new ways of collecting data to help them understand what customers want, what competitors offer, and where a new product or service could potentially fit. Their work entails a combination of strong mathematical and analytical skills alongside critical thinking and clear communication. Median salary, US, $65,810. Estimated job growth, 22%. Typical requirements: bachelor's degree. Number 9. Health services manager. Health services managers work behind the scenes in healthcare administration to keep doctors' offices, hospitals, and other provider locations organized and on task. The job is to make sure everything operates smoothly so that patients can receive timely care and providers can effectively do their jobs. Health services managers often need to have a developed understanding of not only the medical system but also the legal and financial systems, like insurance, that impact healthcare. Median salary, US, $104,280. Estimated job growth, 32%. Typical requirements: bachelor's degree and around 5 years of experience. Number 10. Nurse practitioner. Nurse practitioners are advanced in their field, having achieved higher education than a registered nurse to consult with and diagnose patients. Nurse practitioners work in a variety of healthcare specializations, including pediatric, psychiatric, and women's health. Nurse practitioners must complete significant clinical training to work more closely with patients and be strong communicators and critical thinkers. Median salary, US, $116,670. Estimated job growth, 45%. Typical requirements: master's degree. So here we have the top 10 jobs in high demand. Thank you for watching.